Ashe, and I'm going to show you this book. It's called Clementine Smile, and it says on the back it's a poem, but for no reason it's actually rhyming. This is a rhyming book. I will read it for you, and I will tell you the illustrator and the author. The author name is Lynn Records, and the illustrator is Simona Miser. So I will tell you that which is rhyming word. Like if I say ow and foul, like howl, ow and ow, like the rhyming, right? It's like suffix ly. So I will. Clement and the crocodile has always got a sparkling smile. You see? Isle and isle, like smile and crocodile. See? Dial and isle. I know they're not the same spelling, but it is ILE, and smile, the spelling is SMILE. Crocodile is CROCEODILE. So that means it's, you heard the word ILE, so it's meaning that these two are rhyming. Her friends loving have her to play. It's like a party every day. If you have heard the suffix, then comment down below if you will know. Okay, so if you notice, then great job, but if you didn't, but it's alright. So her friends loving her to play, and also it's like a party every day, you see play spelling PLAY, day DAY. You know what I'm saying? A and Y, AY, PLAY, DAY. So it's meaning that those two are rhyming. Let's go to next page, page number 4. But one day she is sad and blue. Her friends crowd round, what can they do? Clementine has got a pen, perhaps she'll never smile again. And there's also one more one. If you spot it, give it a thumbs up. And if you did not, just give it a thumbs up. You see, I did say about sad and blue, right? Sad and blue. Sad is also where was that? Was it? Stop it. Oh yeah, here it is. Sad and blue. Sad. Okay. So it's also mattering that it also matters on the next page because they're together, because the whole picture is together. See, let me show you. See, this is one page, this is the other. All of them are crowding around. Clementine is very large. It's a crocodile, so it has to fit on the whole page. So that means you can also see here to see. There's also two pens. See? The meaning that and also truth and tooth. First let me read the other page. Where does it hurt? Is it your nose, your back, your tail, your head, your toes? Then finally they learn the truth. The pen she has is in her tooth. You heard the word truth and tooth, right? So U and O is sounding same, like true. It's almost like I'm writing TROOTH, and there's TH on the other end of tooth. They're not the same spelling, but you can see that they are the same in 5 words. See, like two. TOO is 2 and TH 5 words, and in truth is TRUTH. See, they're both 5 words, and also OO is almost like U. U and OO is almost like the same word. So if I'll say nose and toes, right? You heard the word no, toe. Like if you will say, just take TO, two, and an O, no. You'll see that an O, they're just O, O. They're both having O. That means they're rhyming. with the suffix O. And here, just like I said, sad and blue is almost kind of like a crowd round. See, U, just like I said, and OW can also matter as the same. D, okay? So if I will say A, it's almost sounding like U and A, huh? U and O are like almost like A almost, huh? So if I will say like smile and smile and file, right? Small and file, for example, huh? And what is the suffix? Comment down below if you will know. So we'll go to the next page, number 6. Each and every sentence has only one or two rhyming words. It's very clear what we should do. The pen for tooth needs to do. I didn't mean to say to do because I didn't say to because maybe they forgot the one who printed this book. So do and to, what is the meaning? O suffix O. And tooth and do are also same because O and double O because they are mattering. Ooh. If you just take away one because it also matters that like so sometimes people forget the word of spelling. Maybe sometimes they write T-O-T. Actually, might have forgot, but teacher maybe thinks that it's actually correct. So what if it's happening to you? I'll call the dentist right away. We mustn't wait another day. If you heard what I said, comment down below because I'm not tell you anyways. If you know what I said, if you do not know, I will tell you. I said if I said anyway, I said AY way, and also here AY day away. These ones I underlined, and also with the word I said away. Like anyways, just like I said, we mustn't wait another day. Okay? There are 2. The dentist, no please mom, I'm fine, just poor unhappy time. If you heard that, comment down below because I know what I said. You see, you heard the word clementine and fine. I and E is spelling of fine, like F-I-N-E. And if I say clementine, it's C, capital C, L-E-M-E-N-T-I-N-E. Notice that I-N-E. So it's meaning that they're rhyming. So that's why I didn't underline it, but I forgot that. I was like, oh, is this the point? Let me see. And I wrote it and actually was too late. Her mom has just got through. That thread will come at 2:30. What I said now, again, just like I said. Okay, if you don't know, I'll tell you. To and to, does it sound rhyming, right? Sounds rhyming. And also, at and also late. You know what I mean? Just take away the L and E. You will see that if you will take away, it will look like at. And the word at 2:30. Like we're saying, Mama, where are we? When will you come back? At 2:30. Then like that, something like more like 5:30. So for example, huh? And it's meaning that at. My mom said at, for example. Alright? So these are also the rhyming words. Okay? And through and to are also rhyming words. Next one. Goodbye, says mom and turns around, but Clementine cannot be found. If you heard that, comment down below because I know. If you did not, I'll tell you. Ound and ound. What is spelling of around? A-R-O-U-N-D. But found is F-O-U-N-D. Just like I said. If you take away the F and take away the R, look what it says. O-U-N-D, O-U-N-D. What's simple of that? And then mom searches high and dad searches low. Please Clementine, it's time to go. You get what I see? Suffix O. Go and low are also the same. See? Let me show you. Here is go and low. I will take away this and you can see O, and I'll take away L and I'll take away L and I'll take away O. You can see O, right? Come on, can you see? Okay, so then you can see it, right? It looks it took suffix O, so it's meaning that it's suffix O. Mom search high and dad search low. Please sometime it's time to go. But here on this page, I told you about these, but there's also one more. Comment down below. I'm going. Let's see, can you do it in only 20 seconds? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you did it, you're the freaking best. So the meaning is you take T, just take away T, R and S, you will see U, but take B, T and away and you will see U. So that means rhyming. What's the symbol of that? If you're not, you're freaking. At last she found an off the right. The dentist's mouth now open wide. If you see that, then take away the W and take away the R. You'll see I-D, I-D-E, I-D-E. If you can see that, you can take it off. Take this and take this. You can see this, right? Right? They're both rhyming. I'd. So there's also where was it? Where was that? I forgot to. It's hurting, Clementine. I'll fix it now and you'll be fine. If you know, then put that in the comments. If you don't know, I will tell you right now. You'll see, take away Y, U and LL. You will see O. And if you take N and W out, what is it? O. So that means the rhyming baby. The dentist now just what to do and tune that tooth as good as you. So if you know toots and do, remember the last. Remember toots and soon, right? They have double O. Even do and tooth and soon. Those three are rhyming, just like I told you in the last one. Let's go the next page. But Clementine just can't resist and step one dentist won't be missed. Did you hear it? Give it a thumbs up. If you did not, just don't give it a thumbs up. Just do the same. I will know that if you did it, then it's alright. So let's see here. You will see that take away C-A-N and W-O-N. You will see T. There's a common and T. What the hell? Now it has already been 14 minutes. So we will do the half. Today. Okay. Just hold on. First, let my mom put her on to rest. Then we will do it again. Okay. It will not take that long. So bye.